Let's begin by creating your Zanderio account. Enter your first name, last name, and preferred email address. Next, create a password containing at least 8 characters. You can use the visibility icon to check your password before continuing. Once you click Sign Up, Zanderio will send a one-time verification code to your email address. Enter the OTP on the verification screen to confirm your email. After verification, the onboarding process will begin. You can start by setting up your profile and selecting the subscription plan that best suits your business. Zanderio offers free, plus, and growth plans, with monthly and 6-month billing options. For this demonstration, we'll continue with the free plan. Next, enter the name of your website or store and select the platform it is built on. Available options include Webflow, Squarespace, Wix, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Shopline, eBay, WordPress, and other website platforms. For this demonstration, we'll select Custom. Now, enter the complete and correct URL of your website or online store. Then, let us know how you heard about Zanderio, for example, through email marketing, a sales call, or another source. Once all the information has been entered, click Next. Your onboarding is now complete, and you'll be taken to the Getting Started section, where you can begin configuring Zanderio for your website.